Hi, this is Shivendu, and I am going to discuss today's class. First, I welcome all of you, all the GATE aspirants in the GATE Architecture and Planning Target 2025 courses. In this section, we will cover the architecture, planning, and design part. The first topic is that architectural graphics. It has been divided in five lessons. First is architectural graphics. Second, it is computer application in architecture and planning. Third is visual composition in 2D and 3D. Organization of the space, circulation, horizontal and vertical. Mission 4 will consist of anthropometrics, universal design. Lesson 5, space standards, building bylaws, codes, and standards. So basically, we will try to cover each and every topic as per the syllabus in detail. We are not skipping any chapter. So in the architectural graphics, again, we will cover, we have divided it into eight parts. So as we have 5 months of time, so we will try to cover every topic in details. Although we will analyze the mm, coverage or the marks uh, covered by every topic of the GATE syllabus from the previous year questions. So architectural graphics here, it is we have divided it in eight parts. First one is that drawing tools and materials. Second is architectural drawing systems. Third is multi-view paraline and perspectives. Fourth is color theory and systems. Fifth is elements of design. Sixth is principles of architecture. Uh, Seventh is rendering. Eighth is architectural presentations.